Hello friends, now let's take the example of dense rank. How to use dense rank in any schema, in any table. Now we are going to see this. So we are trying to find out in this example all the order of customer and discount associated with each of the order and apply both rank and dense rank for that query. So you need to see what is the application of dense rank and what is the application of rank and what is the difference between these two. So we are taking the previous example. We are using market star schema and we will see the discount. So for each order, what we are going to see here, we are going to see is select order ID because we want to see the discount across each order for some particular customer. Then select order ID, discount, customer name. We are going to use inner join for two table market factual because order ID and discount is in market factual and customer dimension have customer names. Then we will join on some link field what is customer ID and the customer name is Aaron Hawkins. First, I hope you are familiar with the how to write query. We are familiar with the all the keywords used here. Okay, so now we will see either it's working or not. First we will see this. This query is working or not. Then we will execute it. We will see have been select order ID, discount, and customer name. So that particular customer name, what's the order has been here, and what are the discount per order is given here. So these are the discount for that particular customer. Known before adding rank, we just check it's working. This query working or not means this customer is this customer is there or not. So as a query first, now we are going to add rank in the same query. We are going to use select order ID, discount, customer name, rank over order by discount. So we are adding over clause after rank. We want to see it in the descending order. So we have put order by discount DSC. As per the discount, we are arranging it in DSC and we are using column alias as discount rank. Similarly, we are using dense rank as will be the output of another column over close. Order by discount descending as discount dense rank. So these are column alias. And we have also used table as table alias as M plus dimension C. So for customer Aaron Hawkins, this will show the discount and that discount will be arranged in descending manner as DISC underscore rank and disk dense rank as two columns. So what is the difference between two ranks? We will see here and what is the applicability for these two. See, if we are going to execute this query, what it is showing for same discount, it is showing one rank and after that there is a third rank. But here it is first rank then second rank. So here is a gap, here is not a gap. So that's the major difference between rank and dense rank. Now, if here you are trying to apply a rank for the same set of data while we have used two different parameters, rank and dense rank. So we can see it dense rank is much more preferable than rank because it does not skip any data. We don't get any confusion. So for same number of discount, for same attributes, it will allow the single run rank and after it does not have any gap at rank function. It will continue from second, from third. So there is not a confusion. not a point of confusion. After first, it should be 2. But here is after first, it is directly to the third. So this is the main disadvantage, that there is a gap in rank function in the result, but there is no gap in the if we are using dense rank. As we are using used column alias this is showing here. So we can generate in the same way by using rank or dense rank the result where we require even in the number of thousands. Okay. I hope you understood how to write it down by using overclose and how to use these functions, how to use inner join using two tables or any other join, how to write it down rank, dense rank by using column alias. Okay, I hope you can write any of the query now using rank and dense rank. Thank you friends. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.